Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A71 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. For removing the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame with the wireless coil by undoing screws. First, undo 9 screws and then gently lift the frame using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery and both main ribbon connectors from the logic board. Next, to remove the not working battery, apply a heat to soften the glue under it. And then use a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, place the new battery on the body by adding adhesive. Next, secure the battery and both main ribbon connectors into the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the mainboard frame with the coil to the body. Secure the frame by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A71 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.